Akwayu nendo tobya TV yakwa nendo tobya TV
Nendo tobya TV wewe
nendo tobya TV ko mwaka umwe withelu kana wiki kana mwei itatu ukambona TV ni nzobetie TV yakwa TV ino tiandu motobya tira wa YouTube YouTube
yeah.
Hello Littlesilver family, how are you all doing? Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. This is the Littlesilver Dubai channel and I just want to give you a live update. So it has been quite a start of the year and I just wanted to mention the flies anyways. So it's a chilly morning. It's one of those confused mornings. Actually, this used to be my best mornings because when it's like 50-50, it's like it wants to rain or it's sunny. So you cannot just go to the you cannot go to the shamba or the farm because you're not sure if it's going to rain when you're out there. So you have to wait a little longer. So I wanted to just stay around and wait a little longer at home. So today it's one of those chilly morning, although I'm not going to the shamba. We have some fire going on. I was just chilling with my grandmother and then something came to my mind that, okay, let me just talk about it. So this is about taking care of your those people who are aged or those people who like don't know much about technology. There has been much actually. I've wanted to talk about it, but I didn't know the right moment to talk about it. That's why I don't even have my grandma. We were just chit-chatting here and she just went to take a walk outside. It was unfortunate that she had to spend 7 days, the first 7 days of 2022 in the hospital. She got admitted on 31st and it was quite hectic, being here. My mom was not there. It's headache. I know these women are strong. They run these families and it's not as easy for everyone to run families. So I have to wake up, I have to run after goats. So you hold these two. These two are the cheerleaders. If you hold them, the rest will just fall. They cannot go and see them refusing. Kujeni. It's not that something I wouldn't do, but it's not something I've not done for a while. So it was quite, I would say, overwhelming. I didn't like it. Sometimes you just wake up, you just want to chill, but you cannot chill. Like the goats will be out there making noise. Like they want to go out and eat. Like you cannot do things at your pace. Like you cannot say I'm going to take the goats at 12. Like by 9 or 10, whether you want to wake up or not, you have to take them. So the thing I wanted to talk about is that we are grateful for health. She came home. She's much, much better. When I came here, she was bad. Like, take care of your loved ones, of your old ones. I have my grandma's phone. This is my grandma's phone and this one. So no one has it and she doesn't know how to operate it. Like the only thing she knows to do is to receive a call, and anything else to do with the mobile she doesn't do it unless she trusts someone. Like someone could be us, the grandchildren, or a helper at home, and these things happen actually. A few months, like from November and December, I was watching a lot of scam videos, and I was looking at grandma scam, and I wasn't thinking that it could happen right at home where my grandma is, like, because most of the stories I used to see was like from the US, old people getting conned. But this is what happened. As we talk right now, my grandma has a loan which she didn't take because she doesn't even know how to open loan accounts. She got a KCB MPESA loan, which is, at the moment, it's accrued to $45, and she also has an mshwari loan, which is $25 at the moment, because of the interest and everything. So she didn't even know, and the person who did that, like who took the loan on their phone, they took it and sent it to their mobile. So that we were able to know, because when my grandma came home, she was living somewhere else at my auntie's. So when she came home, they went with my mom to get a statement from a cyber, like you can get your M-Pesa statement in Kenya, you know. So she was able to realize, oh, on this date, someone took a loan with a phone, and they sent to their number, like, take a loan on their account and sent it to myself. So this was her helper at home, like she had been employed to help her. The other name is, we don't know, but maybe it's linked to this helper. The other name we don't know, but it's a male name. So yeah, she just started receiving calls, and this KCB M-Pesa people are just asking for, oh, pay our loan, and she's like, which loan? Like, she has no idea. She has a loan she has to pay. So I was quite sad, and I don't know if there could be some kind of authentication for these loans, but it's also very difficult, because if I have a phone, she trusts me and she gives me a PIN. Like, for example, she wants to withdraw money from a phone, she can give me her PIN. And if I have a PIN, that's the only secret or authorization code you can have to get their loans or do something with their accounts. So I was quite sad, because this person was definitely malicious, and I don't know how you would do it, but make sure to check on them. You can even like get their M-Pesa statements and check on the activities that go on their accounts, because literally my grandma doesn't need a loan. She's well taken care of, and she wouldn't even go that ends. Even if someone had to help her, they would take a loan on their mobile number. So yeah, and I think it's also a situation that these loan departments are going to put themselves into, because this one, like, no one is going to pay it, because this is a mobile number for the elderly. Like, I think there should be a system in place to check how old is this person who is trying to get approved for a loan. Because I was like, what can we do? Let's go to the police station and hand over these names. But on the other end, I'm like, this is too much stress. My grandma doesn't have to go too much stress. And anyways, as long as there's nothing that's going to happen to our money whenever she receives any money in M-Pesa, then you just sort yourself. So dear KCB M-Pesa, dear mshwari, my grandmother is not going to pay you any loan. I don't know if you have fraud department or something like that, then we can just give you the names of the people who sent themselves the money when they borrowed from my grandmas. But otherwise, just consider that as a debt. But anyways, the important thing is take care of your old old people, like your grandmas, your moms who don't even know how to operate, or your moms. Maybe sometimes someone has sight problems and they trust you with their gadgets. Please don't do that. I know it could be tempting, but it can always be traced. Technology is easy nowadays. So that was the update. I have been on quite an emotional turmoil at home. Not because of anything much, but it's because of my own stuff. Like, just I'll put up more videos in future, like what has been happening. But for now, I'll give her phone right back, because I think at this point she's actually quite paranoid. It's so hard, like, to know who to trust when you have trusted and you have been disappointed. So let me hand back a phone.
Take my hand, I'll lead you on into the stars. We'll ride away from all the wars, close the doors and disappear again. And I don't know how many times I've said that this is not the end, and we will make it out of here alive. Oh, alive. Alive. Oh, alive. Alive.
Thank you so much. For my subscribers, thank you so much. I do appreciate. And for the new viewers, thank you for dropping by and watching this video. Don't forget to love, don't forget to vibrate good energy, and don't forget to be kind to people. And that's it for now. Thank you so much. This has been the Littlesilver channel, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.